In today's digital landscape, the importance of website structure cannot be overstated. In fact, a website properly built and optimized can be your virtual ATM with the right strategy in place. Before getting into the technical aspects of website optimization, it's essential to recognize the critical importance of website structure in shaping your online presence and attracting organic traffic when designing the perfect website for your business. On-page SEO encompasses a myriad of factors that directly influence your website's performance in search engine rankings and user experience. URL structure and navigation. A clear and intuitive website structure is crucial for both user experience and search engine optimization. Optimize your URL structures and navigation menus to ensure that users can easily navigate your website and find the information they need. Title tags and meta descriptions. Crafting compelling title tags and meta descriptions that accurately reflect the content of each page is essential for attracting clicks from search engine users. Responsive website design. With an increasing number of users accessing the internet on mobile devices, having a responsive website design is non-negotiable. Content quality and quantity. The content on your website should be rich, relevant, and tailored to address buyer intent using local keywords. Internal linking. Strategic internal linking helps distribute link equity throughout your website and establishes a hierarchy of importance for your pages. Service and location pages. Creating dedicated service pages for all your major services and location or service area pages are essential for contractors and restoration companies to showcase their offerings and target local customers. Understanding all of this can seem overwhelming at first. When looking for someone to help with your website, it's crucial to find a designer who specializes in SEO. They'll ensure your website is set up for success in the digital world. At Peterson SEO, we understand the unique challenges and opportunities facing contractors and restoration companies in the digital landscape. Our team of experts specializes in providing tailored SEO solutions that drive results and help our clients achieve their business goals. Contact us today to learn more about how our web design and SEO specialists can help you master on-page SEO and elevate your online presence.